morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Abai.
Okay, let's go. You can choose one. Okay. Ah. What does glass of smoothie made of?
It's made of plastic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is August.
Okay. Choose one. One. Wow. August, what does a can made of? What does a can made of?
A can made of metal.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Tang.
Nice to meet you, Sakang.
My name is Two.
Okay, choose one. Wow. What does plastic bag made of? A plastic bag. Hello.
Hi.
Oh. What is your name? My name is.
My name is Pete.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Choose one. Okay. What does knife made of?
Nine metal. Metal.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Lisha.
Good job. Okay, choose one. Okay. What does can made of?
A can made of echo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Organ.
Yes. Okay, choose one again. Good job. Wow. Show me. What does a mirror made of?
A mirror made of glass.
Hello. What is your name?
My name is Naptang.
Okay, I choose one. Wow. Give me. What does snack bag made of?
A snack bag made of plastic.
Five. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, what is your name?
My name